The fastest land animal in the world is the cheetah. Cheetahs are renowned for their incredible speed and agility, making them the undisputed champions of terrestrial speed. These magnificent big cats can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour, in short bursts, covering distances of around 1,500 feet. However, this remarkable velocity comes with certain limitations and adaptations that make the cheetah unique in the animal kingdom. Cheetahs have evolved specific anatomical and physiological features that allow them to achieve such astonishing speeds. Their long, lean bodies are built for speed, with lightweight bones, a reduced number of muscle segments, and large nasal passages to maximize oxygen intake. Their large adrenal glands produce adrenaline, enabling rapid acceleration and quick bursts of speed. Another distinctive trait of cheetahs is their non-retractable claws, which act like spikes on track shoes, providing extra traction and grip during high-speed chases. Their keen eyesight helps them spot prey from a distance, and their unique black tear tracks, running from the corner of their eyes down to their mouths, help reduce glare from the sun and improve focus on the target. Despite being the fastest land animals, cheetahs have limited endurance. Their rapid sprints typically last only 20 to 30 seconds, and they can become easily exhausted after a chase. Due to their speed-focused adaptations, cheetahs often rely on stealth and strategy to get as close as possible to their prey before initiating a sprint. Cheetah populations have faced various threats, including habitat loss and poaching, which have led to their classification as vulnerable by conservation organizations. Efforts are being made to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats to ensure their continued existence as the fastest land animals on Earth.